Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Aussie dollar, I still think that this is a WXY pattern, but the fact that it's closing so hard below the 78% makes me think that it is going to turn into an expanding correction, which means it will likely end up going down and taking out these lows before it actually does end up going back up to complete this WXY. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, like I said, when price starts to close below the 78% with such momentum, you can pretty much almost guarantee that it's going to take out the previous low. And based on the pattern I see on these higher time frames, I think that very likely it's going to end up taking out this previous low also before we do get a bigger turn to the upside. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, the important thing that I have been trying to point out is that this never, even though we were consolidated for a couple of weeks, we never had a breaker structure to the upside. The trend never turned up. The trend has been down ever since we had a breaker structure to the downside way back here. So I would have primarily been looking for shorts basically for the last few months on this pair. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we got a nice little lower high. We got a nice another little lower high. Now I definitely would be looking for shorts right now, but I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now. I would only be trying to go short on pullbacks. So I would be trying to go short here, trying to go short there, try to go short here, try to go short there. Definitely not trying to go short here. If and when it does make a pullback again, that's where I will be looking to short it again for the continuation of this downtrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, we definitely have what looks like almost a perfect 5 waves down, and we are at a Fibonacci level. So hopefully, which I don't know if this will happen or not, it could just keep on going down, but hopefully what happens is it does start to move to the upside, and hopefully it's a nice clear ABC correction, because that's what we're going to be looking for. Just like this 1, 2, 3 way pattern up, that is a very good example of an ABC pullback. So I'm waiting for more ABC corrections. I'm waiting for more impulsive moves down to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long, and I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short until I do see a proper ABC pullback. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.